Want to showcase your site's latest conversations without touching a single line of code? Learn how to add a recent comments widget to any Elementor page in under 3 minutes. First, we'll open your project in Elementor. Then we'll insert the recent comments widget, tweak its settings, and publish the changes to your site. Open Edit Projects with Elementor.
Click the highlight element to select it.
In the Widgets panel, click WordPress. Click WordPress again to expand it.
Click Recent Comments to add the widget.
Click Title to set the heading. Click Number of Comments to show.
Click the Advanced tab.
Inside Advanced, click Layout. Click Layout again to open its options. Click Update Changes to Page. Click Apply to publish the changes. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.